Hi and welcome to my weekly trading chart review. First of all, we'll look at the Indices UK Footsie. And we've still got this long-term uptrend. Just bring it into the last 6 months trading. And it looks like it's going to hit a support level down here, which may then either bounce and then return down. Just something to keep an eye on there. Now let's take a look at the Dow. Long-term uptrend in the long 10-year period and the recent 6 months. Still looking at a long-term uptrend. Just watch how far this potential may come down to maybe here, this level in the medium term, or potentially it may bounce back up and exceed this peak here. And the Nasdaq, long 10-year, again rising, and short 6-month period again rising, but with this again similar to all the charts really, the main indices, a little bit of a fall here. And finally the US S&P 500, again 10-year long-term uptrend and 6 months. Again, you've got this fall very similar to the FTSE, fall potential down to some support around this sort of level here, where it's hit twice before, 3 times before. So this may do a little bit of a bounce and then perhaps come down. That's the indices looked at, and just look at the charts, and then just have a look at gold. Gold been a bit of an uptrend and then a downtrend over the last 10 years and a bit of sideways movement over this last period. And just look at the last 6 months in detail. Seems to be in this trading range from this sort of level here down to this sort of level down here, or here. It's hit this, so potentially it might do a bit of a fall retracement down to this bottom trading range here again from this level here. As you can see, it's nearly hit. And the sector indices, just want to look at technology. And we can see technology has been rising over the last 6 months, bit of a fall there, rising, and then a bit of a fall here. Potentially continue rising, or could come down to a support level around here, or even here, before the next up move. View our chart of the week, Taylor Wimpey. Just look at the latest. So over the last 6 months we've seen a rise and then this sort of cup shape, fall and rise, and it seems to be in a potential little bit of retracement back down to here, but then could potentially rise up if it doesn't break below this sort of level here or here. There's a nice sort of uptrend going along here, and with a potential first target price somewhere around there. And that's it for this week. If you want a free tax-free trading guide, just put in your details with your name and your email address and click free report. Thanks again for watching. See you next week.